Chris uses simple machines. Scene 1. Students in Mrs. Owens' class are in their classroom discussing their work on a community service project at a local nursing home. Mrs. Owens: I hope you are all as excited as I am about our community service project. Remember, we are going to try to find a way for all the residents or people who live in the nursing home to have access to their auditorium. Chris: Can't we just bring in money and pay someone to do all this work for us? No, Chris. The point is for us to use what we have learned in science about simple machines to make a difference in our community. I really don't think we will be using any simple machines tomorrow. I bet you a pizza party for our class that we will use at least 3 simple machines tomorrow. You are on. Scene 2. Students are at the nursing home completing their community service project. Wow, you have done a great job building this ramp. Now all of the residents can come into the auditorium. Instead of using steps, they can walk up the ramp or ride up it in their wheelchairs. Now, let's count the simple machines we used today. Who noticed a simple machine we used? The ramp is a simple machine. It is an inclined plane. The inclined plane is an object with a slanted surface. We used screws to secure the ramp. The screw is a simple machine too. I've noticed screws hold objects together, such as a jar lid or the bottom of a light bulb. When we use the wheelbarrow to help carry supplies, we actually use 2 more simple machines. The wheelbarrow has a wheel and axle on the bottom of it. The bar or axle joins the wheels together. Then they turn to make the wheelbarrow move. The wheelbarrow acts as a lever as it makes things easier to lift. A lever is a simple machine too. We really did use simple machines today, Mrs. Owens. They are all around us and sure made working on this project easier. I am sorry I doubted you, and I am really sorry we don't get that pizza party now. Oh, Chris, I may have won the bet, but you all definitely earned the pizza party with your hard work. Let's order it now.